so we've just collected the keys to this really nice, actually 3-bed property in sort of Peril Bar, Great Bar. It was on the market for 190k. It's actually in a really good state. Properties along this road are actually worth 190k, although when they're listed, they're not in as good a condition as this property. We got it in the end for 187k, I believe. And let me explain why we made the offer. So hi guys, if you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen. We're less than manage high quality HMOs and singlets in and around Birmingham. We also build portfolios for our landlord clients as well. So with this particular property, normally, traditionally, to buy an investment property, you buy it, do it up, add the value, rent it out, and then refinance it, and then to recycle your capital and go again. But that's not, there are other ways to do it. It depends on the investor's personal circumstances and their goals. In this particular situation, our investor client, our landlord client, had X amount of capital they wished to deploy, and actually their goal in this particular situation was not to recycle capital. It was actually just to make sure that they are putting the capital they currently have to better use. So what I did was I found them the right property deal. Now with this property, we've got comparables in the area. There's strong comparables. We didn't overpay for the property. In fact, considering the property's done up, I think we paid a very good price for it, because a property in this area, a similar property in this area, although it's worth 190, it's worth 190 not done up. You still need to do it up. Whereas this property is more or less done up, and you'd only need to spend, I say, about 5k maximum. In fact, 5k is more than enough. I was really conservative with my refurb figures, because all you need to do really in this property is just to remove this carpet, put some new underlay, put some new carpeting in, fix these section things, touch up some paint work like this. Look at the walls. They're great walls already. Maybe just touch up the wooden bits at the bottom. Again, same as this room. So essentially, the refurb cost is very, very low, but actually the rent we expect about 1,200, 1,250 for this particular property. And but the main reason, in terms of works as well, just refill this, just basically just neaten it up. Very, very inexpensive cosmetic work. Now, the main reason why we went for this property, or went for this deal, the strength of this deal, was because it ticks all the boxes, and most importantly, it's on a really good street. I think I did a separate video. So essentially, it's a very clean street with what seems like very nice owner-occupiers. Everybody seems to have done up their property, so that's always a good sign. There's nice cars, and it's litter-free. There's not a lot of litter. It's very quiet as well. So basically, it's a good street with good capital, which indicates that there'll be good capital appreciation and strong rental demand. And really, that's the strength of it. So it's not always about recycling capital. It's actually, a lot of time, it's about buying just a good, solid property on a solid street that makes a solid investment, which is basically good tenant, high rent, good capital appreciation, strong demand, which I believe this property meets. And it's not always about recycling capital. Also, when investors chase put too much emphasis on the recycling capital part of an investment, I think sometimes they go for deals that they go for properties in areas that might not be that great long term, and at the same time they're putting too much pressure and stress on themselves to get that deal done in a certain way. Anyway, so my name is Nguyen. We let manage high quality HMOs and singles in and around Birmingham, as I've said. And if you like this sort of stuff, please don't forget to like and follow more. All right, see you.